guys, so welcome to this video. Right here we have a Ford Galaxy, which is the same car as a VW Sharan and Seat Alhambra. This model goes from 2000 up to maybe 99 up to 2006, 7 maybe, yeah. So this model suffers from problems, several electric problems. This is I got this from another shop. It has a no blinking. It had a no blinking condition, no turning signals. So they've changed everything from the hazard light button there. They change the lever here. Still nothing. You would get the sound of blinking, but there was no indication here in the dash or outside, and no lights on, even though you had the ticking sound. So what I found out was I removed everything. As you can see, I took the kick panel down here, took everything, and went to the comfort module. So I disassembled the module, identified the turning signals relay, which is this one. I've disassembled this relay just to make sure that's the problem before I order a new part. This is the piece. This is the relay, and here's where it sits in the car. I'll just put the right there, this one. So what happened was that wherever you had the sound, because the relays were clicking, but there was no contact passing from the top to the lower part. My advice is to replace this relay, but if you are in a country where you cannot get these, just clean them, give them a little bit of clean with a little piece of sandpaper, and make sure it makes contact. This is the module that sits right here. I removed it, opened it, and now, as you can see, it's working already. I don't know if you can see you see them clicking there? Okay, so hopefully this video is helpful for you guys. This is a car that came to me from another shop, as I said, with a no turning signals condition. There was no indication there in the dashboard, no indication outside, of course, but you could still hear the relay. So the relay was still working, but there was no connection. There was a lot of carbon buildup in the contacts there. So that's why the lights didn't turn on. So yeah, guys, hopefully you find this video helpful. This is a tricky car to work on. It's really complicated to remove. Well, not complicated, but labor intensive to remove this module here. This is the case it comes in. This is what it looks like when it's there. It sits like this, like over there. So yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and yeah, so let me just put everything back together and deliver the car to the customer. Hopefully you'll be happy. Okay, guys, so if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, it's important. And I'll be posting more content like this in the future videos. Thanks a lot for the support, guys, and see you next video.